I met these girls. They're here from Tetuan.
The name of the shop is Paradise.
Oh, it's Paradise.
Fatima Zahra.
Fatima Zahra. Angel.
Hiba Tullah.
Hiba Tullah. How's the food?
Very good.
So that looks like a breakfast. You haven't?
It's a breakfast actually.
You wake up late night last night, was it? What are you having, Angel? What is that?
With nana.
Chicken?
No, Shiba. It's na'na and Azir. Azir, it's meant
The
to
other,
be
it's
other.
not. It's called azir.
Azir, it's used to
Grow the hair.
grow the hair.
Oh, I need some of that.
We need also.
You had the chicken baguette, yes? The chicken sandwich.
Food as you.
Same. You copy me. Nice. Good choice.
You're my idol.
Good choice. Good choice. Thank you. And what's the plan then today?
I'd like to check Gnawa music actually, but we didn't found.
We're gonna go for the Medina tour. We're gonna look around, get lost a little bit. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're ready. It's the Medina. Go down there. It's the Medina stretch here. And where we're staying. We're staying right up there at the top. Right, guys. We're here back in the Kasbah. Say hello to Angel.
Hello. Say hello.
Hi.
It's Fatima.
Hi.
So we're coming back to the Riyadh. I've invited them back, and they want to listen to some real
So excited too.
real Goana music. And then we're gonna go and get lost in the Medina. Come to this perfume shop. It's called Hariri. It's got a selection of ouds. A little bit. Swear. Yeah. You have one for man, oud? This is perfume or oil? Oil, nice.
أنا صاحبتي مغطيه بأسا برك نقول لك صبحت حلقي.
I got myself one of these guys. It's like the oil for the oud. Smells very nice. It's all ready for Ramadan. These girls, they're gonna buy some as well. They're looking. But I think this was the one that she chose. I'm liking this one now.
They bought from her.
Okay. It's very light, fruity.
Yes.
Yeah, lemony.
Lemony.
Brother, you know this one? I also like this one now. Hariri is the best place. The quality is the best.
احنا وين المدينة؟ انا اصلي الحريري المدينة. من ركنية هنا.
حريري
هذا هو الولد ديالي والمدينة. جدي. This is my father. This is my grandfather.
He's the first fabricator.
You're old school, man. Respect, man. Old school. So you can negotiate. The woman is better at negotiation, don't you think? You don't ask, you don't get. That's what they say. So this is the shop. It's Hariri. Grandfather opened this shop, and his father then owns it, and now he's in charge. Come have a look. Come have a look. Show you. So we're here at the viewpoint. I brought Angel to the place, to Europe. You can see over there the Gibraltar.
Where is Spain?
You can see the boat
Yeah.
in this direction. You can swim?
Of course.
She's a pro, yeah? But don't do this one, it's mushkil, yeah? You're gonna die if you swim this. So you want to travel, that's your dream?
Yes.
Which is the number one place, your favourite place?
My city, Rabat.
Oh, Rabat.
Yes.
Why Rabat? Well, Rabat is a new city. Before Fez was the capital, and then Rabat became the capital.